Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, November 6, 2020. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Willie D, for doing our pledge this morning. He was our guest pledge reader. Thanks, Willie D. Now, everyone remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Next, we have Fun Fact Friday. Our fun fact for today is that laughter is the best medicine. Kids laugh around 400 times a day, and grown-ups laugh only around 15 times a day. So kids, make sure you are laughing extra for your teacher because it sounds like these grown-ups need a little bit more laughs during the day. All right, so make sure you're laughing with them and not at them, but everybody keep laughing. Today for breakfast we have cheese toast or biscuit with a sausage patty, jelly jam, fruit juice and milk, and for lunch, hot diggity dog. We're going to have hot dogs on a bun, coleslaw, potato wedges, fruit juice, and milk. Monday, we will have yogurt and cereal, fruit juice and milk, and for lunch, we'll have chicken bites, nuggets, green beans, sweet potato fries or carrots, roll, fruit juice, or milk. We have a lot of birthdays to celebrate today on this Friday. So today's birthdays are Robert Gunyon, Zayden Jones, Skylar Allen, Miracle Davidson, Noah Kuehler, and Cammie W. in Miss Bolton's class. So happy birthday to all of these friends as they are celebrating today and probably going to celebrate some more this weekend. So enjoy your birthdays, friends. Next, we have a couple of announcements. After morning announcements, please place any library books that are ready to be turned in a basket outside of your door. They will be picked up. I am working on picking up books and trying to get out some of the hold books that students have put a hold on. So bear with me. And if you see some books outside your door that I have not picked up that maybe I've missed, you can shoot me an email and let me know. A few more reminders for the teachers. All grades must be entered into iNow by the end of the day today, Friday, November 6th. Our new afternoon duty assignments begin on Monday, November 9th. Please be prompt to your duty. There will be an in-person faculty meeting on Monday, November 9th. Ms. Horton has been working on some things that we will need to be reviewing before that meeting. So check your Schoology to locate that and just take a look over it. We will have a PST meeting on Tuesday, November 10th, and PD on Thursday, November 12th. So we will be following the extended PE schedule on both of those days next week. And we are out of school on Wednesday in observance of Veterans Day. Make sure your lesson plans are uploaded each Friday. The new updated bulletin boards look great. It is so much better to see our halls lined with great student work now that they are back in the building. We are so happy to have our students here with us again. We have missed them so much when they weren't here. Next, we have a shout out to Miss Lankford. Her partner teacher, Miss Moore, just wanted to give her a little shout out for being a great teammate and for helping her and the rest of her grade level. This school year has had a few challenges, and Miss Lankford has helped fourth grade to work together and overcome them. So that is awesome. We love to hear about shout outs. So if you have a shout out, if you are a student and want to shout out to another student or another teacher, or even if you are a teacher and want to shout out someone, please let me know, and I would love to get them on the morning announcements. Next, we have a special performance by Miss Check's class. They are singing Five Little Pumpkins. And that's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.